of the clocks. Time to kill and nothing left to lose. In a cradle with the cradle rocks, felt like no one, nobody knew. Search the darkness and the sky above, just a drop of water for the land. Saw the lightning and I heard the sound, just the whisper of a healing hand. Ooh, the healing hand. Ooh, the healing hand. Stood there like a child before a man, someone kind with just a little pride, a face so tender, soft and brown, someone loving, lovely, wise. Looked into his eyes and then I knew, felt his hand so cool upon my brow. When you're ready, he said, I'll be here. Close your eyes and listen now.